Okay? Are you having fun? Hey! Are you having fun? Aiden, smile at me. Aiden. Aiden, why aren't you looking at me? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Are you having fun? Hey. What are you looking at? Are you on your new bike? Aiden, is it your new bike? What? You saying hi? Is your thumb sore? His finger gets sore from pushing the button. He tries to switch and push it with the other hand. Bye. Bye.